either personal, real or nominal. So first I will give you some key so that you will be able to classify them properly. Personal account. How to identify the personal account? Personal account will be the name of any person, of any, or represents any person. Then it will be treated as personal account. Then second is real. Real, how you will identify the real account? Real account are those accounts which are property of your business, asset of your business. That is termed as real account. How many of you are clear about these two meanings now? Then third is nominal account. Nominal account is identified by four things: expenses or losses, revenues, gains. So such accounts are known as nominal accounts. Such accounts are known as nominal accounts. So all three meaning is clear. Now you can identify. Okay. Now tell me, cash is what type of account? Yes, very good. Correct answer. Yes, very good, very good, very good. See, before answering, think about it. Is cash your expense? No, cash is not your expense. Salary can be your expense. Cash cannot be expense. Obviously, you will do that expense with the help of cash. But cash cannot be your expense. Cash is your asset. Cash is your property. It is a real account. This third column we will avoid right now. Leave that one. First we will do this practice only, then we will come to this part. Otherwise again you will get confused. Okay, now second account is bank. Bank is personal, real or nominal? Very good. Okay, fine. Fine, very good. Bank is personal account. Why it is personal account? If I ask you to go to a bank, first question will be, sir, which bank I should go? There are so many banks in the city. Bank is always having some name. It is an artificial person. How it can be your expense? If you are saying that it is your nominal account, then you should be knowing how bank can be your expense, how bank can be your revenue. Before doing financial statements, you should be clearly knowing about these things. That's why I am emphasizing so much in the very beginning on these things. And even for last 1 month, we are practicing these things, but because of your carelessness, just we are sparing this time. Until unless it will be strong, you will not be able to do anything. Okay. Now, third account is salary. Yes, very good. Very good. Salary is a property. Others are giving correct answer, but one wrong answer has come. Is salary a property? It is asset for you. Think from the point of view of business only. Yes, now it's correct answer. Before giving answer, first meet out the criteria, in which criteria it is fitting. It is asset, it is expense, it is name. At least think over that. Or if you are not going able to go that way, then at least eliminate that it is not a name, so that's why it cannot be personal account. It is not an asset, that's why it cannot be real account. So obviously that then it will be nominal account. It is your expense. As a business, you will be always giving the salary. Bank charges. Very good. Very good. Yes. It is a nominal account. It is your expense. Now next account is outstanding salary. Now first you should be clear about the meaning of outstanding salary. If any one of you don't know the meaning of outstanding salary, then don't answer, but let me know that you don't know its meaning. Okay. 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 Fine. I will explain. I will explain. Wait. Okay. Very good. Very good. Fine. So let me explain this. Few of you are knowing and they have given correct answer, but few of you are not knowing. So that's why I will first explain its meaning and then you try to give its answer. Meaning of outstanding salary. I am writing it here. What is the meaning of outstanding salary? Salary due but not paid. Salary due but not paid. Yes, you can also say it. Till now you have not paid their salary. The salary, that salary is known as outstanding salary. So salary can be your, you have opened out account. The purpose of recording that how much salary is unpaid, how much salary is unpaid, and to whom we have to pay. So this account is actually not your asset. It cannot be your asset. When you are supposed to pay salary and you have not paid salary, that will not be your asset. So it cannot be real account. It is also not your expense. Salary is your expense, which you have not paid. That salary will be treated as your expense. However, you have not paid that, even then it will be treated as your expense. But this is your liability. Outstanding salary is your liability. So this is an account representing your employees. It is an account representing your employees to whom you have not paid the salary. Now, which type of account it will be? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Dilip, Drishti, I have clearly mentioned that salary can be your expense. Outstanding salary cannot be your expense. It is your liability. It is representing the employees to whom you have not paid the salary. It is representing any person. Yes, it will be a personal account. So try to identify the accounts which you face difficulty in identification. Okay, now next is uh, prepaid rent. Prepaid rent. Is it your property? Prepaid rent is your asset? No. It is your expense. Can it be your expense? If you have paid something in advance, prepaid means rent paid in advance. Rent paid in advance. So it is not your property, it is not your expense. Whatever you have paid in advance, it is not your expense. It is personal account again. It is also representing your landlord to whom you have given something in advance. Yes, these two accounts are clear, or still any doubt is there? How to identify such accounts? If before or after any expense, if before or after any expense you are finding outstanding, paid, unpaid, unearned, accrued, such words if you are finding either before that expense or after that expense, then these accounts becomes representative personal accounts. I give you one more example. Unearned commission. Unearned commission. Which type of account it will be? Yes, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, it is also a personal account. It is also representing any person to whom from whom you have received the commission in advance. It is commission received in advance. Yes. Now, bank overdraft. Yes, bank overdraft. Very good, very good. If anyone of you don't know the meaning of bank overdraft, if you are not clear about the meaning of bank overdraft, let me know that. But your answers are coming. Clear me your status. Okay, fine. Okay, let me explain this. See, bank overdraft we have discussed in business studies also. It is a short-term loan from bank. In case of emergencies, you are allowed to withdraw excess money from your bank account, from your current account. Bank allowed you some limit that you can withdraw this amount also from your bank balance. Suppose you are having bank balance of 50,000 and you are given a limit of 25,000 more to withdraw. Then, despite having balance of 50,000, you can withdraw 75,000 if you need. But that is having high rate of interest. You have to pay that, and you have to return that amount within few days. So it is a very short-term loan given to you by bank. So is it your asset? If you have taken short-term loan from bank, is it your asset? Yes, please respond. It cannot be your asset because you have taken loan. It is your liability. Now, can it be your expense or revenue? Can it be your expense or revenue? So it cannot be real account. It cannot be nominal account. It is representing bank who has given you loan. You have to return this money. That's why it is also a personal account. Yes, now it is clear. Furniture. Furniture is the name of any person? No. Is furniture your expense? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes. Furniture is your property. It is your asset. That's why it will be a real account. Okay. Next is patents. Patents are special rights from the owner if you want to use his property. Whatever he is having, he might be having some formula, he might be having some technique, technology. So that is registered under the Patents Act. That's why if you want to use that technology or formula in your business, you have to purchase that right. That is called patents. Yes, your answer is correct. So now first thing, that is it the name of any person? It is your property. It is not your expense. It is your property. Yes, it will be a real account. It is your asset. You have got a right, and then you will be using it for your own business purposes. So try to do more practice in the same manner of many more accounts. And let me know your doubts in the next class.